Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you are going to hide your comment section, or how you are going to turn off or turned on. Okay, first you are going to click your YouTube app, and then it will take you to your home, and then here go to your profile and then click YouTube Studio. Then after that, on the side, go to your content. And then find which video would you like to turn off your comment section. Okay, first I'm gonna try this one. This is my latest video. How to show or hide viewers like and dislike. So I'm gonna click your pen. So meaning to say this is edit. Okay, click that. Okay, so here, this is your page where you are going to edit or turn on or turn off your comment. Okay, so as of now, I didn't edit this yet, so I would like to edit it. So here I wanted to put my playlist. I want it for my technology and educational. Okay, so I added on my playlist, and then here on the bottom, yeah, you need to show more. Okay, so if you wanted to just automatic, just click this one. Yes, it's made for kids. So when you click this one, it's automatically no comment at all. But you can turn off your comment section even though you are going to put it here. No, it's not made for kids. So there's other ways to hide it or turn off. Okay, so here, go to scroll down. Okay, so here, before that, let's see how's my video. Okay, so again, if you would like to check first, go to your video, and then as you can see, my comment section is turned on. So my supporters, they can just put their comments here. They can say everything what they wanted to share on my comment, but it's limited. Okay, so click edit video to go back. Okay, and then scroll down again, and then click show more. Okay, so here you have the chance to edit this part. So this is comments and ratings. Okay, so here, so sometimes there are people that they are posting unwanted comments. So I put it like hold potentially inappropriate comments. So meaning to say it's limited their comments. Okay, but you can also change it into allow all comments. So any comments they wanted to put there, yeah, it's allowed. But for me, I always put it hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. So that's how it works. And then here, I would like to disable comments. So just click that because I want to hide it, right? Okay, so click that and then save it. Click save. So now let's go back and check if it's effective. There you go. You see, comments are turned off. See, that's easy. So, so if you would like to turn on your comments, so just go again, edit video, go back, and then go back to your show more, click show more, and then find comments and ratings. Okay, here, comments and ratings. So here, just click that. And I always like this part. Hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Yeah, I don't want to put all comments. Yeah, so I can review it first before publish their comments. Okay, so now I changed already the settings. Then click save. Okay, now let's go back and check it. Okay, let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, it's back. Okay, so as you can see, it's effective. So my tutorial, I applied it to myself before sharing it. And now I wanted to share it using my dialect, my language. So it's in Tagalog or Filipino. So ngayon, i-tutorial ko naman siya using my national language with Tagalog siya. Okay? So ngayon, ulit, balik ako, magbaback ako from the very beginning. So tatanggalin ko muna lahat. Siyempre naman, ano yun, magbaback to zero ako, diba? Okay, so here mag-open ako. So ito yung aking browser, Chrome. Okay, so ngayon, ito, i-click ko siya, YouTube. And then, pupunta ako sa aking profile. Yun ang aking profile. Click ko yan. And then, punta ako sa YouTube Studio. So, ngayon, punta na ako sa aking content. Kasi yan kung saan dyan mo kasi makikita yung mga videos mo. Okay, so ngayon, dito ako. Kasi na-edit ko na yung first. So, ngayon, dito naman ako sa second. Okay, dito ako sa second na videos ko. Ay, itry natin yung live. Okay, itatry ko yung live. Okay, so dito ako sa live ngayon. Pwede nyo itong gawin sa uploads or live. Okay, click nyo lang ulit yung pen. Ito, pen, edit yan. And then after nyan, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. And then click show more. Click mo lang yan. And then, hanapin mo yung comments and ratings. Okay, ito. Ito nakalagay is allow all comments. Baka nakalimutan ko. Okay. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko is disable comments. Pero i-check pala muna natin siya. I-check muna natin yung bahay. Yung video. Okay. Ayun. So nakikita nyo meron siyang comments. Okay? Yan. Okay, so ngayon, punta ka ulit dito sa may edit video. Ito yung Grand LS ko nung inaward namin yung scholarship sa isang mapalad na nanalo. Okay, so ngayon, punta na ako dito sa edit video. Click ko lang yan. And then, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. And then, scroll down. Hanapin natin yung comments and ratings. Okay, ito siya. Okay, so ngayon, i-disable ko siya. Click disable comments. And then, wag niyong kakalimutan, i-click yung save. Okay? Click save. Ngayon, i-check na natin. I-check na natin. Yahoo! Tan-tararan! Tan-tan-tan-tan-tan-tan-tan. Let's see. Ayun! O, diba? Wala na. So, turn off na yung comment section. Okay, so nakapatay na siya, naka-hide na. Okay, so ganyan lang guys ang gagawin ninyo kung gusto ninyong i-hide ang inyong comments. Mostly kapag may mga rude na tao, i-hide nyo na lang siya. Or else, up to you kung gusto niyo siyang visible, i-publish, or make it public. Okay, so ganyan lang po guys ang gagawin ninyo kapag kayo ay to-turn on ng comments or kung paano nyo siya i-disable. So, I hope guys may na-learn kayo for today. I hope you learned something from my video today and I'm gonna upload more videos tomorrow. Okay, so see ya and don't forget to subscribe my channel and of course click that like there and share it with your friends. Thank you and bye-bye.